and Papa Ron. And I'm guessing this was for Persephone from Nini and Papa Ron. But,
Persephone.
we lost the tag, so here, you open it. Oh, maybe it's for Eliza. Oh no, it's for Persephone.
Oh, Persephone, fancy clothes.
We got some socks and some leggings. Very nice.
What'd you get, Eliza?
Ooh, you match Persephone. Very nice. Thank you, Nini and Papa Ron. Here's another one from Nini and Papa Ron for you, Eliza.
What do you see? See this?
And Persephone, this one's from Aunt Julie and Uncle Trevor. Persephone.
Persephone.
Ooh, this is one that helps you learn to read, Eliza. This is one that helps you learn to read.
Oh, what's that? Leapfrog or?
Leapfrog. And it shows you the letters.
Oh.
Shows you the words, I mean. We'll have to show you how that works when we get home. We put some batteries in there. Stephanie, this is from Aunt Julie and Uncle Trevor.
Oh.
Wait, let me just...
Oh, here comes the...
Look at that. Oh, want to give it a kiss? Oh, good job. Very nice. Eliza already opened her big play castle from Uncle Trevor and Aunt Julie at home. Couldn't bring it out here. Okay, Eliza, this is from Uncle Damien and Ollie. Go ahead, open it. Look at those.
Holy cow.
You know what those are? What are they? They're hand puppets. Here, open that. They're all puppets. You do your own show.
Ooh.
Oh, Eliza.
Let's see the puppets. Eliza.
Oh, it's animal puppets.
Oh, doggy.
Horse.
Another cow. It's a cow.
Cow.
Elephant.
Giraffe.
Uh-huh.
Donkey.
That's a monkey.
Monkey.
Doggy monkey, yeah, they're brown. Oh, I like that one. Is that like a little prairie dog? Cat?
Prairie dog.
There's a lot in there. Oh my goodness.
Piggy.
Yeah, that's a lot of puppets.
That's a bear.
Bear.
Uh-huh. And there's still a few more in there.
Zebra. Lion.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Oh, what's that one?
I don't know.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Is that it? Are we done?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it? Oh, that's a lot of... Oh, flop.
Stephanie opened her teether before. Start munching on and run away. Okay, this one is, these are from Aunt Lexi and Uncle Brian. Look! Skeleton pajamas! Very cute! What'd you get, Eliza? Here, bring it over here. Show the camera.
What do we got?
What is it? What do you call that?
Oh,
Tea set.
set.
Yep. Very nice. Sure. I have to get scissors and stuff. I'll help you. But we'll say thank you to Nini, Papa Ron, and Lexi, and Uncle Brian, Uncle Damien, Ollie,
say thank
Gwen,
you, everybody.
and Elise, Uncle Al, Uncle Trevor, and Aunt Julie. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.
Say thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. And you want to tell Gwen how much you love that cupcake kitchen? You've been making cupcakes all morning. Say thank you, Gwen.
Thank you, Gwen.
Alright, I think that concludes the...
That concludes the gifts?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, Persephone. Say bye-bye. Oh, mwah. Mwah.
I
Mwah.
can't do that, Daddy.
I think she can, but she's not going to.